from the wet cleaning side, you can say this is not only wet clean. When you buy a lagoon system, they say okay, you can do lagoon. In our system, you can also wash linen. You can extend it. You can wash everything. One machine can do everything. And the benefit is, in general, when you run a dry clean machine with 10 kJ, for example, you need in general 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour 10, depends what kind of solvent you have. On the wet clean side, you can minimum 1-2 cycles. This means you have the double outlet. And this is also interesting, how much you can clean. But anyway, it's not only the wet clean, it's a complete system. You need also extended version for trousers, for pants. You need some items more, not only a wash extractor, but you can have it as a plug-and-play system. Everything comes, you can say, in one box, and then you can install it, and you can press directly start. Even the starter kit with the chemical is already in. So nobody from us is coming. First, Jibble install everything, give us information. Okay, we are ready on Friday, something like that. Okay, the next day or 2 days later, one person come from us and start to train the staff. Special on this system. This is a new one what we now develop worldwide. Let me see next year maybe we'll find a new one. So.
In India.
In India, see, the investment related to dry cleaning is much more. So, and people in India is, it's a price-centric market. So people think of the cost which comes when we go for equipment costing. So, if a customer goes to wet cleaning, it's quite cheaper if we compare it with the wet cleaning.
You can say for the price from the dry, depends on the dry cleaning machine what you buy when you have a good brand. And you can say, okay, what you pay only for the dry clean machine, aside from the finish equipment, you can have the Aqua Touch system included, the system for ironing and everything for the same price.
And moreover, with this system, the water consumption is very less if you compare it with dry cleaning. So it saves on the energy cost as well.
You can add when you want, but in the regular wet clean side is in general not needed. You have not, wet cleaning is only a part from it. You can say wet cleaning closed. You have on one side the dry cleaning, you have on the other side the laundry, and we say in the middle is a wet cleaning. But with the Aqua Touch system, you can say, okay, I buy when I start, for example, I buy one wash extractor, I buy one dryer, but I can do everything. Now somebody bring you some linens, you can do it. You have some wet cleaning items, you can do it. You have some, it doesn't matter what it is, everything what you can wash. You have only one machine. Other systems told you need a wet clean machine and you need a laundry machine. Now what's that? And even in this system, anytime is included the dosing unit. It's automatic system. You read only in the display what you want. For example, wet cleaning white or delicate. Press start, you can go.
Experience for the user actually. User-friendly.
It's more user-friendly.
Yeah. More user-friendly. It's the chemical side and how it works. This is more on us, but for us it's more important sorting before you start. Observe what kind of stains you have, pre-brushing, something like that. This would be trained on. You have to say, okay, a lot of things are happening. In the dry cleaning you have people have problems with sweat marking, something like that. We can wash the street. The street can cost 1,000 euros. It's coming more eco-friendly. This is one part. Less space and less investment for the same result. So it gives, I think, special also in the Indian market is you can start a business which less investment and with good results. But it's also it's complicated to develop this system. Yeah, it's new. Everybody sees for one time, but when you have start with one, you must be start with the first customer, and then we can show how it works.
But behind it plays a very vital role.
Currently, do you have any?
So basically, the dosing pumps and the chemicals behind comes from Seitz, and the washer and the extractor comes from Jirva.
We have for running how the setup looks. Everything what is coming looks like this. Each setup looks like the same. We have different sizes. We have 3 sizes now, and we have 3 different kind of kits. And also we extended in the next couple of months. We'll have 5 kits.
the installation was done 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
So right now we don't have the customer feedback in terms of the system, but in general the idea behind is wet cleaning, and we already have customers who are doing who are using our wet cleaning chemicals. So majority of the people are happy because they are saving on the energy consumption. They are going towards the eco-friendly way of doing the laundry, the washing. So yeah, it's a good response till now. Energy consumption means less water consumption, less electricity consumption. Then if you install a dry cleaning machine, you need the distillation behind it. You need more electricity consumption, more electricity power. Then there comes in wet cleaning, it's basically plug and play. You put in the clothes and you can wash woolen, you can wash silk, you can wash each and every item.
Eco-friendly.
It's more eco-friendly.
It's more eco-friendly. You don't go back to perk. Yeah, perk is a good cleaning solvent. This is what we never will say perk is bad, but in the end, when you go in the when you can see when you go have open shops, special new areas. In some countries, it's forbidden to work with perk. About is a dangerous good. It can create cancer, and so this directly forbidden. And they say, okay, you can only with eco-friendly thing. And is this a solution? You can handle also delicate items, but you can say you have only your solvent is water. It's not perk, it's not hydrocarbon. Yeah, it's water. So inside is no issue. So you can handle it. It's more eco-friendly, fresh smell. There are a lot of benefits, and even I don't say you don't need a dry clean or a dry clean is there. That's not true. Yeah, it must be look what kind of customer you have, what kind of stuff you have, and sometimes you can also say wet cleaning is not the right way. Take a dry clean machine. And never we say this is now the revolution. You don't need dry cleaning or something like that. That's not true. It's increase your quality. It's easier to handle it like a dry clean, and it's easier to learn. When you go with a normal dry clean perk machine, regular one with filter system and everything, from the price side you can say you can have a complete laundry setup with finished equipment for the price what you buy for a dry clean machine. And by side, when you have a dry clean machine, you need also your finished equipment. So this is what you're saying. And overall, what you have a good service for Nagaras in India. So we go sell across the country, and we send out the people, the trained people across the country. It's not only sell the product. From our side, we are over 130 years old. You can see we sell over 80 countries. First of all, transfers the knowledge. When the people understand how it works, it's less headaches for you.
In India also we follow the same philosophy behind it. Our motive is not just to sell our chemicals. For example, if a lead comes to us, we first go to the customer's facility. We give a demonstration with all our products. We tell him whatever clothes you have, you bring to us. We'll treat the stains, we'll do the washing. Once the customer is satisfied, then we go ahead with the selling of the products. So yeah, we follow the same Seitz philosophy in India as well.